Welcome. This channel is about the process, discipline, and consistency, not hype. The goal today isn't to make money, it's to execute my plan. One stock, one time frame, one trade only if my setup appears. I keep my trading simple on purpose to fit my personality and my lifestyle. By eliminating noise, I don't believe is necessary to succeed in the market. This is for education purpose only. The stop just hit at 10:13. I was in this trade for 50 minutes. Let's recap. So since it made a new high, touching reject and formed this pattern. So this pattern was here. So it formed here. Touch and reject, breaking with this huge bar here. So I got in here, my target was here. I almost went to my target, probably like halfway to my target. So I would take this trade exactly the same way if this criteria appears again, because it met my criteria, and also went to the top and reject, breaking this trend line. I would enter the same way. If I hadn't entered here, I went here. It didn't follow through, and then also broke here. So 3 times it didn't follow through. That means the buyers are stronger than the sellers. That's exactly what it is. Putting this triple touch here, touch, reject, and breaking the high. Probably gonna go to retest this high of some day back then, maybe yesterday, I don't remember. Yes, so this is the trade for today. I took the trade because it met my criteria, managed risk correctly, and exit where my plan said to exit. The market didn't give me a follow-through, and I accept without fighting it. Today wasn't about being right, it was about being consistent. I'll review this later and show up tomorrow with the same rules. And always process over profits and discipline over dopamine. Thanks for watching.